Hello everybody, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful decor. It's very easy to make, very simple, but yet beautiful. If you're subscribed, welcome back, and if you're not, please consider subscribing. As you know, I always use cardboard for my decor, and here I have a square. That's what I'm going to use. As you can see, I went ahead and drew smaller squares in the bigger squares, if you know what I mean. Like right here, you notice that the difference was 4 centimeters. I ended up using only the 3 largest squares from the 2 squares that I had, so I didn't use the smallest one. So I went ahead and used is that a wallpaper? Yeah, wallpaper to cover it. Just one of the squares, because I said I had 2 squares. So one of the squares I used this wallpaper, and I like it because it's kind of woody. And on the other square I used this gold spray paint. I wish I had black, but this is what I had at the moment. And this is the end result, guys. I ended up using duct tape for the black parts. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this.